Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Harry Styles' iconic album cover look in DTI. So here we are recreating the iconic fine line album cover look with this sleigh look in here. And if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So in here, I'm going to start with the hair, and I'm going to just use this one hairstyle from the masculine category, this hair in here, and I'm going to change the color into this dark brown color. Let's start making the outfit first. Let me go to this women's sections, and I'm going to put on this set in here. Let's put on the shirt first and change the color using this pop pink color, including the buttons and also the pants. And I'm going to make the color white, including the buttons. So let's add the pants. But first, let me add this belt in here and change the color into white and leave the second preview as it is. And I'm going to grab this white jeans in here, change the color into white, and here I'm going to make the material matte. And now let's just add the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to use this boot from the code items, this one, and change the color into all black. So this is it. This is the Harry look for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.